Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I wanted to show you guys this. It's going to be a short video. It's an item that you can buy on Temu. Obviously it's not a necessity, but it's something that could enhance your washroom. So this is an auto soap and alcohol dispenser. So I'm just going to open it up. We're going to take a look and see what comes inside, and then we'll see how this works and if it's worth it or not for you. So I'm going to put you down here for a second while I open this up, because I need both hands. Okay, so the first thing that comes in here is the manual. So this is a black and white. It just has the instructions on it and information for contacting if you need any kind of help. So this is the unit itself. It's very simple. Now I believe this should come with a cable because this should be rechargeable. So this is the packet. Let me just get rid of that for you. Okay, so here is the device, and this is the cable. I found it in the box. So it's just a regular USB to a USB-C, which is great. And if you want to charge it, the port is right here on the back. You're just going to plug it in. You're obviously going to need a cube or something to plug it into the power, which I have. But it should be very straightforward. I think we're going to put soap in here in the bottom, and then once you move your hand under here, it should have a motion sensor and it should spray it out. So what I did get is I got this type of soap. It's a dial foam refill. So I'm going to fill the container here in the bottom with this, and then we're going to test it out and see if it works. Okay guys, so here's the unit. I've filled it up with the soap already in there, and as you can see here on the top where this little fingerprint is, if you hold that down, this is the actual power button. It makes a little noise. So I haven't charged it, but I believe it should have some charge. So let's just test it out and see if it actually works. So you wash your hand, and then as soon as you put your hand underneath, it has a sensor, and there you go. So I'm going to test it out one more time just to make sure it's working. So after you wet your hands, you put your hand, and there you go. It's working perfectly. So just one more thing I wanted to mention to you guys. So this button here at the top actually has a couple of modes as well. So if you press this, it'll swing through the modes. So there's mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, and mode 4. And I guess that's the amount that it pulls out. And I think if you hold it down, this tells you the amount of battery that you have left on the unit. So this is fully charged. So all in all, it's actually a pretty good product, and it's working really well. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.